Hello friends, welcome back to Multi-School Management System in Laravel 11. Last video we discussed about a school admin. Now in this video we need to work as a student. Suppose you need to create a student, so we need to add a class. Means suppose you are creating any student, so we need to assign as a specific class. This class inside this student there. So we need to work in this video. So first we need to create a class, and after we need to create a student. So we need to create a one drop down like this menu, academies, and academies inside we need to make like a class. You can see it. I already write some words: class, subjects, assign class to subjects, like this available inside academies. But right now just we need to work only one. This reason we can call it academies. Before you can start for these things, you are new in the channel or in the series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website rfsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. Okay, so let's start now. And here we upload a new project like beginner full course. So do you want to buy, so you can buy it because this is the like all series already done. Okay, so let's start now. I close and I create academies inside we need to create a class. So resources, views, backend, inside layouts, inside you can see sidebar.blade.php. Just zoom out so I can do it very quick. And this is the class only for right now. We can made it for the school. After can work as a permission wise. After I can show it. Okay, like this way works. Okay, so don't worry. And if so, just you can copy paste for this one here, and you can put it here academies, and here you can do it class, and here you can change URL. What is the URL we are provided? Always panel and class. Let's try it's working, not working. We don't want to do head sign, so just I can use like, let's leave it head sign also possible. Okay, so here you can see it like academies is the main, and after we inside we have created one class menu. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it academies, inside you can see class. After we can find out like subjects, but before we need to add a student, after we can do subject, first we can sort out class. Okay, so class inside what we need, just we need a class name, and one status need active and inactive. So let's create first table for the class. So I am opening my PHP my admin. Taking few time because of first time I'm opening these reasons, otherwise not taking time. So just wait few seconds more. This is the first time opening these reasons. Oh my god, much time takes. I know it's taking time to going to long video also. So let's create first URL because we don't want to waiting. We can create all the URL, add, delete, updates like this URL. So you can copy for this school admin, whatever do you want. I will copy for the admin. Okay, and I put here, and I change to admin to class. Once database open, after we can do it. Same thing we did last time. Same thing you can do it here. So just you can change admin controller to class controller. I need to create always all controller different. I don't want to merge. And here you can change admin to class. So we can do it very quick. Just you can change. Okay. So let's go back again. Database I think open now. Yes, open. Now you can go to projects. Sorry, not projects. School.com. Our database. Inside we need to create a new table, as a table name is a class. Just we need a class table name, and also you can provide like IDs. This is the auto increment. I know some people ask me about middleware. You can create middleware, but I don't want to wasting time inside middleware. These results, and here you can do it like created by ID, created by suppose school created. So this school again we need to show these results. Okay, created by, and here we can do it like status. Status means by default whatever you can think, you can do it. Tiny busy. Here you can do it like by default 0. 0 means inactive, 1 means active. Okay, inactive, inactive, 1 means active, active. Now here you can do it created at, and bottom you can do it updated at. Just you can change the that format. Here also you can provide a null, and here you can make it null also. Okay, so we need to know about created by. I think created by we can move first, and after we need to move name. 255, and here you can change to nulls. Here you can put it int again. Now you can click on this save button. So class table successfully created. You can see it here. Class, you see, created by, name, status, and created it and updated it. So everything is clear now. So let's go now, and we need to create a controller because table is created, done. After controller done, after we can create a models. So back and inside we need to create controller before we can declare above here. Just copy paste and you can declare here. Now just you can create back and inside new controller name, and you can put it like PSP, and it's very simple. Just go to admin controller and you can copy all and put it here, and just go up and you can change the class name as a class controller, and here you can change to class list. Here also you can change, suppose any place you can find out, so just you can change very quick. Okay, admin to class, and here also you can change. Here no need validation, so just remove this validation. Here we need a created by, and other thing we don't need, so just you can remove the status and emails and password. So just you can remove name, status is admin, no need, also you can remove. And created by also need, no need, and this is the also we don't need profile pic, so just you can remove. Okay, same thing you can change here, edit class. Here you can do it like class, sorry, here make it capital letters. Same thing, we don't want to make validation, so just remove. Here we don't need email address, and status you can leave it, is admin also we don't need, remove. Profile pic we also don't need, so just remove. And we need to also add a new column inside database is delete, because I forget. Don't worry, I can add because I don't want to remove anytime permanently any records. So class, okay, and here you can any place you can forget, just you can change, so you can see it here. Let's go to back again, and we need to add a new column inside a class table. After we need to change for the models, string integer by default 0, 1 means delete and 0 means not deleted. Okay, so I already explained lots of time in my lots of video. Now we need to create a new model. Is the model name is a user, so you can put it here class model, and you can change every place user to class model, and here you can leave it get single, get singles, get records, edit time we need, so leave it, and here also need, and here you can change. And here user there you can make it save button because we need to make common, so user we don't need any place, just you can replace to save. Okay, means database save is good. So here is everything done. Now here you can make like get record, because we need to do simple function name get record. Okay, and here also you can declare model for the class model. Now this model you can create a multiple place where just do you want to create is a command prompt wise, so you can create, otherwise do you want to create directly, so it also can create. Let's make it this time command wise, because of you need to learn how we can make it command wise. So just I open my projects first, school.com, and I can open my terminal. Later we can do always like a copy paste work wise, it's taking time. This result PHP artisan make model after your model name class model, and just press the enter, taking few seconds after done. Okay, so let's move my, this is the coding here, and it's taking times. After you can find out here model inside class model, this isn't taking time. First time we are doing this isn't taking time, otherwise not taking time. So you can see class model is available. So now here we need to assign our database. Let me open my other project and I can find out how to assign. So simply you can protected table, and here you can put it class. Okay, so done. Protected table class. So which table assigned for this model? So we have table assigned as a class. Now let's go to user models and we can copy like whatever we need. Suppose get single we need, just copy and put it here. Okay, and the other thing is you can copy for the get admin, and after we can change the name, and also no need to change the pagination because pagination also we need. Okay, we don't need a filter you can leave it id, and name you can leave it filter, and other thing you can remove, and also you can leave it like a status because we have there inside database column is a status. We don't need wherein, so just you can remove it. We need id descending order pagination. So you can see it also we have done for the filtering condition here. Now here we need to put another condition as a get record. Get record inside we need to pass two parameter. One is like a his id and one is like a user type. Same thing we did inside teacher controller. So just copy for this inside, so I can do it very quick. Okay, I copy and I put. Let's go to again user model, and I can make all the condition same as we did in last time. But right now I just make like this direct condition. After I can show you in later how we can do it for this condition. So just you can do it like created by id, and here you can put it. I think we need to change the column name for the created by id. We don't want to make like a same column created by. So just you can make it same column every place created by id. Just replace the name. And just press the enter. Taking few seconds, but it's great, don't worry. Here we have passed two parameter. One is like a user id, another is a user type. But user type we are not using right now, we are using later, so I can show you in later. Okay, so just you can use user id later. Why we need to use, suppose we need to show for the class name in admin side, so we don't want to work new function, this reason. So here is a simple condition we have made for the validation, and this is like getting the data. Okay, and here we have declared our class like a request we have declared, not class. And here we have passed two parameter, and also we have changed every place. Now we need to create a new folder inside we need to create some files. So I can do it very quick. I just go to my youtube folder inside I can go to school.com and just replace for your end, so you can see it proper way. Resources, views, inside you can see it backend, inside you can see it like admin 2, you can replace to means copy paste, and here you can change to class. Now we need to go to here resources, inside you can see it class is available. Let's close other thing we don't need, so you can't confuse. We don't need sidebar, we don't need web, inside all URL there, so leave it. And class model also you can leave it. Okay, now you can class inside list. First of all, we need to change admin to every place class. So just you can do it very quick. Here we don't need address, roles we don't need, so just you can remove it. Okay, name, address, and like this leave it. And here you can make class panel to class. Here also you can make it class. Just you can put it here class list, create class, and here you also you can no need profile, so just remove and just remove the status, means other thing remove and leave it only name and status. Address we don't need, this one also no need, role also no need, and here also you can change to class. You can see it here, you see, and here already there pagination. So everything is correct now, and let's go back again, refresh the page here. Just you can click on the class menu. Because first time suppose error there, so we need to solve, so don't worry about that. Okay, here class controller, here is the two parameter, here is the authentication there, and class inside list there, so we have no errors. I think something error there because taking time, this reasons I say. I don't know, sometimes take time, sometimes very quick, so always doing verified, sometimes taking times. You can see it here. You see here is the error for the unexpected, because of I am copy pasting this time, this reason sometimes there is the issue, so we need to solve like this two times here there, you see. But I think you know, but how you can told. Okay, replace and just go back, and you can see it's working very well. Class search here, reset also works, class list works. Now we need to work create class. So just click on the create class, and we need to change also this form because already done this all the URL. Suppose error there, so we need to solve the error, but I don't think there's any error there. But right now it's taking time my browser, this reason. Okay, we need to change admin to class. Here also you can change, here you can leave it only name and status. Other thing you can remove very quick, and also you can remove the roles. You can see it here, you see name and status. Now we need to create a one class. Whatever class name you can put, I just put like class 1. Okay, after we can think about like professional class and we can add, so don't worry. And just click on the submit because the same URL. So here is the action same, and here we already done like a create a insert class, and this is the inside we are adding. And here you see class created successfully message also you can see it here, you see. Now I think test will delete, so working not working, it 100% works because of the here's already condition. Here we already did save and class successfully deleted, you see. Why is not deleted, let's see. Okay, is delete is not updating because of two columns here, and I need to check. We have not changed URL, I think so. We have changed the URLs, so let me try again. And the class model inside what I did is perfect, and what I did here delete once, and also we have change here class delete perfect replace. Let me try again, delete the functions. Okay, I get phrase, and okay, are you sure, do you want to delete? Yes. Here 10 integers 0 and 1 we have put here is working, so what is the problem? Let me try here, and I can make here dd $id. Okay, because sometime we need to debugs, so just click on the delete. So we need to know about very direct fun. So this is the records we are getting. ID is once, name, class and status. So why is not updating? Here I am not getting data. Let me check, because get single, so we already create here function for the get single. Oh, we have not put here like a professional name, like a class model. Sorry about that, because we have not did like class name, this reason. Otherwise we don't want to debugs. So everything is working. Let me go back again, and I just press deleted, and I need to make unremove because here is the deleted for this one, because we have not changed here model inside a class name. So you can see removed. I just refresh here, so you can see it here is once. And last part is the remaining about the update part, so we can show you the update part also. Okay, so refresh the page here, and after I edit, and I can show you. So this is the done. Now edit inside already there this function, so we need to go to edit.blade.php, and here you can change also edit class. Here also you can change, here also you can change. Just leave it name, and other thing you can remove, and also you can remove these things. And here you can provide like class name, like a make professional with class name. No need to make it like a direct name. Same thing you can do it inside create, so can be understand easily a class name. Let's go back again and click on the edit buttons, and I open the users table, so I just make a 0 because I have deleted directly these reasons. Okay, and you can see it is a class 1 is working. Let's make a class 1 and I can press enters. Just taking few seconds more, so updating, you can see update also works. Let me search here, and I press the enters, so can't found any data because of here no any records, means filtering also works. Okay, so here we have done like a class, also we did like a add and delete updates, and we have show about like a who is a created by. So like this data we have show inside a class. Next video we can work inside for the active class, because active class I need to show like professional way. This reason I will divide new video, so we can show you in like a step by step how we can make active class for this submain. Okay, and after we can continue student part. And do you have any question for this video? So please comment out. Do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching error solutions.